Dolly's puppies. And right now I've got, well, purple just crossed the line. The boy-girl line. I've got the boys on this side and the girls on this side. And the boys again are green, cheetah, and black. Yeah. This is cheetah. There's green. And of the boys, black's definitely the most timid. Well, I'll get to the personalities. While I've got them split off, I'll just try to get it. This is purple. Yeah, you're definitely the most outgoing girl. I can say that. That's pink. Orange. And green. Pink. Orange. And again, pink is the one that has a little bit of white on her paw. And again, that may go away. Sometimes it does when they get their adult hair. There's green. There's purple. Say, I'm definitely the most outgoing of the whole litter. Yes, ma'am. She's most outgoing and adventurous. And of course my battery light just started blinking. So hopefully I'll get through this video. So that's purple. As you can see, they're all in their chewing phase now. There's orange down there chewing my sweats. Here's lime green. There's purple out there checking everything out. Making sure everything's safe for the siblings. Here's pink. There's cheetah. And you can see lime green's moving. I think it was him last time it wasn't. I'm surprised it wasn't black now. Like, lately he's been the one that's been real quiet and laid back. Honestly, purple, you are so funny. Purple attacking pink. So purple will be a good one for somebody that's got land. I don't tend to suggest the energetic one in the litter for somebody that's never had an Airedale before, because Airedales in general are more energetic than most people realize, or than most other dogs, I should say, not that people realize. So purple, I probably would not say would be a first-time Airedale owner. You can handle it, but just might make your journey a little harder. Also, if you have, if you're somebody that's got place to run, purple would be good for you. If you've got kids to wear out, but if your kids are going to be afraid of a puppy, or afraid of a puppy really being in their face, which Airedale puppies are going to be, I mean, they're still at the very passive phase, or at least not their full puppy phase. So keep all those things in mind if you're thinking about getting purple. Pink. Oh, pink, you're a sweetie. Pink is probably the next most energetic of the females, but not like purple, obviously, but she's a lot of fun. She's definitely an adventurer. She loves to play. Wow, this little girl really loves to play. But yet she calms down and will come and sit with you, so she's kind of got a little bit of both in her. Actually, pink reminds me a lot of Dolly. Dolly's probably a little bit on the quieter side, but she has both in her, the playful side and the purple. Come here. Come here. Getting in trouble out there. There's green. female green. Pink. I would say green, if we're going down the list of energetic from the females, it would be purple, pink, and then green. And orange is very passive. Definitely orange. Where is orange? Oh, right here. Orange is definitely more on the quieter, more cautious side of the females. Hi, pink. Hi. See purple, honestly. Purple! You see her? Stuff up there. That's purple. Then right here is green. Here's pink. And this is lime green. This is cheetah. All three of the boys take a little bit longer than the girls to get playing. And this is purple, pink. Hi, purple. It's black at my shoe. Lime green. Purple's gonna sneak up on pink out there. Oh no. And then green's going, hey, I might join. Nah. Purple's like, why not? That's puppy play right there for you. The best toy you'll ever have are your old clothes, socks and shoes. So yeah, as I was saying, sorry, I get so sidetracked. From the males, now black's probably gonna rile up. I guess I shouldn't have come right out and said black is the most quiet, because black is the most quiet, like when you introduce something new. But of the three boys, they're all kind of like that. It takes them, actually they're all right here. Here's lime green, cheetah, and black. They definitely, all three of them, it takes them a little while. Versus, what I'm talking about is like versus purple, who you put in a new location or bang something that might scare her and she bounces right back from it. Like it hardly even phases her and she's going to check out what it is. Versus these three boys probably would be not the first ones to bolt out there. But they come back pretty quick. Actually, these three are a lot alike. And I don't know that I could pick out at this point who would be the most and least passive of these three. Today it seems like cheetah. Hi, cheetah. So we got purple, green, and pink out there. We got orange continually chewing on my boot, and then there's, who is this? Lime green, then there's black, and then cheetah. Lime green's probably, actually it's kind of ironic since he was the one that wouldn't move the last video, but I would call him the most energetic or outgoing of the three males. It may take him a second to get going, but once he does, he's definitely one of the purple and green and lime green. There goes orange. Purple's going after pink. This is green and orange. Here comes pink and purple. Got lime green right here. Lime green really likes to be near you though. Like he's very outgoing and playful, but he likes to be near you. As you can see, like black's down there gnawing away at my shoe, but his tail's tucked. So, you know, he's ouch. That hurt, purple. So he's still warming up to it. I brought him into a... Ow! Purple! I've had a lot of puppy buyers call Airedale puppy teeth vampire teeth. Yeah, so I would say lime green would be the most outgoing. Boy, black and cheetah are a real tie. If size is an issue to you, Dolly's puppies are definitely smaller than Penny's puppies. We've definitely seen that. And individually, really, these guys don't vary much at all. Purple seems to be a little bit more on the compact side, which is good if she's going to end up being the rowdier one. And I think black to me looks a little bit larger. Cheetah looks maybe a little smaller. But when I'm saying like a little larger, a little smaller, I mean a little. They've all got nice big paws. It's cheetah. Purple going at it down there.